Let's find the area of this shaded region. So let's take a look at our shapes. We can go ahead and assume that this is a square on the outside. So we have a 10 by 10 square. And then we have these two half circles. Now the half circles are meeting in the middle of the square, which tells us that they're meeting halfway in the middle, which tells me that the radius of the circle is 5 centimeters. We can also see that on this side. If the side of the square is 10, that means the midpoint cuts the side of the square in half. That side of the square is also the diameter of the half circle. Radius is half of the diameter, so again, radius is 5. Now that we know what all of our units are and what shapes we're looking at, we're going to find the area between the square and the half circles. So we want the area of these triangle-like shapes. So to do that, we're going to take the area of the square minus the area of one half circle minus the area of the other half circle. Now the half circles are of equal size. So because the areas of the half circles are equal size, two half circles make one whole circle. So we're going to find the area of the square minus the area of a circle. The area of the square is 10 times 10, which is 100. The area of a circle is found by doing pi r squared. The radius is 5, so we get 25 pi. Now, depending on how you want to leave your answer, I prefer to leave it in exact form. So my area here would be area equals 100 minus 25 pi centimeters squared. I could also approximate the area. So in my calculator, I could type in 100 minus 25 pi, or 25 times 3.14, to get 21.46 centimeters squared. Let's try one more example. Let's take a look at a circle within a circle. So we just talked about how the area of a circle is found by doing pi r squared. We're going to do the area of the outer circle. So we'll say the large circle minus the area of the smaller circle. The area of the large circle, the radius starts at the center and goes all the way out to the outer edge of the larger circle, which means we need to include the radius of the smaller circle, which is 2, and this extra length. Now it does tell us that that total length is 4. So that means the radius of the large circle is 4. So we have pi 4 squared. The area of the inside circle has a radius of 2, so that's going to be pi 2 squared. Now we can subtract these areas. We get 16 pi minus 4 pi. 16 minus 4 is 12, so we get 12 pi inches squared for the area. Again, we could approximate this by typing in our calculators 12 times pi, or 12 times 3.14, and we will get approximately 37.7 inches squared.